children 7 years by. She held my hand so softly. She was perfectly shy. And we went to wander 6 years in pause. Love is hold on lasting blood. I met with my girl. She looked at me with crossed eyes, so I sent her from this world. I cracked her with my shovel. She met my shovel's blade. She still had them crossed eyes, so rock and roll. This is how it's always been. On the next day morning, the rains they came down, washed away that crooked grave, washed her straight into town. She knocked Sketch Henry. She looked at him with dark eyes. He's as thick as the best of death. Even he knew she passed on by. Later in the evening, Ken broke out. I asked to sing at a funeral. They said, "Oh, son, we be proud." My son, if you care to better play as a boxman in the ground. Big time for a brand new home with walls through up and down. Yeah, this is how it's always been. This is how we do things in the country. This is how it's always been. This is how we do things in the country. Rebecca Dara. Lord Dwight Pentecost. There's E&O. Andrew Warner. That's Munley Munley. My name is Slim Cessna. This is the Auto Club. Late in the dark time, I went creeping around this town. Into every pine board shed, all their tools I did find. I put them in my vice grip, turn them to the left and the right. Return them to their tool sheds, straightened out this town with might. When they hoe a garden, you see it moves to the northeast. When they raise a new building, you see it leaves all skew along nothing crack. Now when they shape a new